Okay, that's where I'm going to put the smoke detector, right up there. Right up there on the wall. Here, and there's the weapon.
We're in the shop.
Okay. Sledgehammer, smoke detector. The real one's in the house.
Yeah, this is a broken one.
Yeah, well,
It's just
it's retired.
What a way to retire it, huh?
We had to do it in here because we don't want to ruin the house. And
It's a little messy in here.
we had to close the door because there's just like lawnmowers going, birds tweeting.
Here's the sound of outside.
Kids screaming.
Airplanes flying around in the background.
Flying overhead. Trains
So,
by.
we got the door shut. There's a bunch of metal on the floor and
Hammers and tools and crap on the
yeah.
people's foot getting smashed with sledgehammer.
Ah, no, it's just from a wedge.
We gotta turn this camera on. We don't want to forget this camera.
Yep.
Dang it! Now there's an airplane flying overhead. Do you think we can deal with that?
Well, we can just cut all the sound out, you know.
But it has to have the smashing sound in there.
You're right. We can cut all the sound out except for right when it hits the thing.
Right.
And then add in some ambient noise.
Okay, so we'll kind of let that airplane fly overhead.
See
It's
how
like
just
a sound studio. Do this in. Okay. You know, like a sound stage. Are we ready for the smash?
I think so.
Okay, smash hit. That's what it's called, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Don't miss.
Maybe I should just finish it off.
Nice job. You missed. I told you not to miss. Nice hole in the wall.
Oops.
Yeah, we might need to plaster that up.
Okay, we have some plaster and tape.
Good job.
Should we hit it one more time for good measure?
I guess so. Just don't miss again. You want me to hit it this time?
Okay, I'll let you.
Here.
Yeah, take care of it. All right. Okay, wait.
You gotta get a good angle on it, like. Oh! It's off the wall. High five.
All right.
And here's the finished product.
Ooh. Okay. Is there any good parts in there?
I don't know. What's the sensor made out of?
Was? It's like
What was
radioactive
the
materials, all I know. It's, I don't know. Anyway. Whoa. Okay. Careful, we got cameras in here.
I know. That's why I dropped it straight down rather than using...
Now that's a hole in the wall.
I think I accidentally added to it.
Okay. Plaster?
Anyway.
Probably take a whole box of that.
Maybe.
Fix that hole.
That was a pretty big hole.
That was pretty epic.